And it's not going to happen based on what we're going to do. With problems. So I'm going to connect you. Now, I can cook. But with the man I trust the most to take. He's called the enforcer for a reason. He's the chief homeless officer at the Cleveland, Dr. Michael Roizen. Agreed with his team to take on not just the defendant's case,